Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, you know what I mean? Guys, it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I make some chicken Alfredo with some fettuccine noodles.
What did he say?
And guys, let me show you how it look like. See, guys? That is what it look like. But guys, you know what, guys? Miss Science says she's hungry. But then you know what, guys? I decided that I am going to run a prank on her, guys. Because you know how she stays. So what I did, guys, I cook up the Alfredo, make my own Alfredo. I make some chicken Alfredo with the fettuccine noodles, guys, and I am going to run a prank on her, guys. She afraid of spider, guys. See the spider in there, guys? So I went to the store and I pick up a pack of spider. Let me show you, guys. I pick up a pack of spider, couple pack of spider, and I cook the food for her, and I told her we're gonna have a little mukbang, me and her. We're gonna talk about going back to school, you know, because you know this is our second year of high school and our summer is going, oh, she's spending her summer. So we're gonna have a little talk about that. And guys, I am going to put them spider here in these spider, put them in our food because we know she afraid of spider. She afraid of spider, she afraid of rat, and she afraid of snake. So guys, the prank we are gonna run upon her is putting the spider in our food, guys, if we see our reaction. So what I did is I make, to show you how I'm such a good grandmother, I am making garlic bread for her in here, and I also making some salad for her. So guys, before I go any further, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when we post. Me I tell you guys, this is gonna be fire on our head top and in our belly, because I don't know how she's gonna react, you know, but that is what I am going to do to her today. So I'm gonna finish set up everything and call her to set up for a mud bank, and boy, she's going to be surprised. Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, you know what I mean? It's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay guys, I'm doing a little mud bank, me and side talking about how is our holiday going so far, and you know, she's looking forward to go to our second year of high school.
You're saying that?
Huh?
I never said I was looking forward.
You're not looking forward to it? Well,
No.
well, you don't like school?
I mean, not necessarily.
Whichever way, she might say she don't like, but she make a blood clot like school. If not, me chop off her head. You understand me? She have to not even like love school, because it's all about the education here for me. You know that.
So,
okay. So what you have to say? So what you have to say?
do you love school?
Yes, when I was going to school, I love to go to school. Back in the days, I liked to go to school as it was my only time of getting to leave my house.
Oh.
So
I would like it more if that was the case.
So I love school. The only thing is that when I was back in the days when
Let's
I was
eat
going
and
to
talk,
school.
'cause I'm hungry.
Okay, I'm hungry too.
Okay.
Okay, you can start on the bread. My mom always said, I'm going to talk with your mouth full. Okay, bite your tongue. You know, so don't bite your tongue.
Okay.
I'm going to try not to bite mine. You know, so that's what you're going to say.
Well, I just don't like.
You don't like school?
Like the homework and like. I don't know. I just not really my thing.
You're trying, you're smart.
I know it. That doesn't mean I'm gonna like it.
You're smart and there shouldn't be no problem to you.
And math is supposed to get really hard this year. What do you mean?
You can have what matches. Once you get the formula, it's good to go.
It's not that simple.
You can get dressing if you want dressing.
This Alfredo is quite nice.
No, I can cook it now. You can go buy at the store. Just make the food yourself.
It tastes like a restaurant.
You can cook.
Like a restaurant kind of
Alfredo. If you have it sit, it can make the sauce look dry. Have the chicken nice. So basically, you're not looking forward to go back to school, eh? You're not looking forward to go back to school. You want to tell me? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to it. I'm gonna enjoy the last like 10 days that I have left, unfortunately.
And do what?
I'm gonna be partying every night.
You're partying?
No, listen.
No! You know nothing about that.
Hello?
Regular high school party.
Like,
Regular high school party where? There's no more high school party. There's still high school. Well, I don't know about the one then.
what do you mean still? Summer's not over yet. Grandma, what is that?
What?
Grandma!
What? What?
Grandma, what is that in the food?
What's in the food? There's nothing in the food, Cyan.
Grandma, you don't see that right there.
I don't see nothing in the food.
I
You
see-
so broke up. Get wait, so
Stop!
What is, there's nothing in the
I
food.
see like a leg or something.
I let go what? You don't see me I eat the food.
Grandma, what is that?
There is nothing in the food, Cyan. What is the food? There's nothing in the food. I don't see nothing in the food.
Move that right. Move it.
You're moving now?
No. Why are you laughing?
What? Why am I laughing? Because it's damn funny.
Grandma, is this a fake spider that you put in the food?
Huh? No, it's a real. It's a real.
Grandma,
It's a real
stop
one.
it. That is not what you do. You play too much. I don't know why you're laughing. That's not funny. That is not funny. I'm not doing this.
I mean, you're not doing nothing.
End your video here. I'm not doing this with you.
You see, though, Cyan? What do you mean I eat? We are talking, have your hand all over in my food? Yeah? I don't need to put my hand in your food.
That wasn't as bad.
What's not wrong with that? We just want to see how you react to the spider.
So is your video done?
No, why is the video done? We're eating and we're talking. We're eating and we're talking, so it's just a one little fake spider I'm putting on the plate. And not fake one, so. You see what day you just keep putting your hand on my food and on food. I'm now just have to put a little fake spider in your food and you're dying. You know. So.
That was not funny.
Oh, it jumped hard. It almost jumped me off of the chair.
No, not.
Yeah. You jump hard, almost jump me off of the chair. You know?
Can you move it?
I'm gonna put it over here. Yeah.
Grandma, what? There was one in there.
There was one.
What is this then? What is this? Cause you think. What is this?
Oh, you want them up? Oh, you want them up in your hand?
Because I can see that you're trying to play with me.
Anyway, guys, that's what I did to her. I put the spider in her food because that's what she had her hand in my food. So, guys, we come to the end of the video now, guys. So, like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. Okay, guys, and I will see you in my next video. And guys, I would like 10K likes on this video, guys. Get it moving for me. And get my food video moving too. Please. Bye.